of your health.
Going home na.
Tulong, magbigay. Okay po. Thank you very much, batch 1990. Next po, batch 1989. Special mention for batch 1989 is the batch of Sir Dimdam, the head ng Mame and Cons, Jojo Del Monte.
Sample marimba, table marimba is worth 28,000. Mahal po talaga ang gamit ng drum and
Yes po. Wala ka po po. Yes po, that's true.
Ito po, nagpili ako nahihiram sa San Roque. Sir Tintan can attest to that na lagi ako nahihiram ng gamit.
Ilan, Sir Jojo? Okay, from batch 1989. Thank you very much po sa inyong pledge na 5,000 pesos para po sa drum and lyre instrument.
Hiling ko ang kanita kami, sunod pa ito na pala. Pwede kita dito mag-agi?
Next po,
Kaya di kami nag-agi. Ay, dire kayo. Dito kami
next po, batch 1988. Nandito na, batch 1988.
Maganda, di man lang niya na ano. Dire kami hindi.
We received
Marko na lang kita. Marko na lang. Baka nung maganda pag Eh, dito ka mo nag-desat? Oo, nag-desat. Paano? Ano? Bukas man dito ang day? Bukas. Para man sa dito ka. Pero sa masakayan. Bawal na dito magsukot ang sakayan. Pero dito talaga ang mga sakayan.
konting tulong lamang po para sa drum
Going home na.
Ay,
Ay, badaw bumbuka. Bumbuka ang lawang ko. Sabi ni yan si mama eh, magulit ka na. Daraga. Sabi bagas ako, gabso ko ka na ko na uli. Sabi sa ako. Sabi, maguli ka na. Wow, daraga. We're going home na. Uy. Naman? Oo, kay ano. Trabaho pa sa aga. Hi, John Smith. I'm her biggest fan and boyfriend. Thank you, Sir John Smith. Thank you so much, Sir John. Biggest fan and what? I have Kwan. I already have not just a boyfriend but fiancé. I'm engaged. Uy. Parole na 686. Tricycle. Pagsangan. Ayan, dito na siya. Dito ka na lang, dito na lang. Tadi nga si Mano yung kuhan. Oo, na tayo may ano pa sa akin. Obligasyon pa. Going home.
likod ka na lang tayo, Manay, sa likod. Maulog ha, maulog. Nakapog. Sige lang. Ha? Eric ko na lang.
Brown out ba? Parang brown out pero may street light. Street light ang warang ako na ni. Ako na. Ano yun? Ha? Ubus na? Saga makan to kapalit? Ambot daw. Paper saga. Hapon naman. Ma. Oh my God. What happened? I'm home now. Ay, gulay. Tarog na. John Smith, you're Cheryl's boyfriend. How long have you been in a relationship? Oh my God. I don't know him. John Smith, I'm engaged. My God. Where are you from, John Smith? I'm your biggest fan and boyfriend. My God. Who are you, John Smith? Where are you from? Duh. Where are you from, John Smith? I don't know him, my God. Just home. I'm home now. Oh shit. Where from, John Smith? Why you say that? I never know John Smith in my whole life. John Smith, where are you from? Char Char. I believe kapalaran mo. Sana'y ganun din ang puso mo. Education. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines po. Oh, magic water is famous there. Magic water? What do you mean magic water? What do you mean? Oh my god. I'm watching myself. What do you mean? What magic water? Street drink. Street drink. Yes. Why you call? Why you say magic water? Because street drink. Set me. Jam Smith, where are you? Can you answer the question? My God, you make us trouble, huh? I don't like that. What? No, I mean John Smith. I mean John Smith, not you, education. Because he said, he's my biggest fan and boyfriend. I'm heading out now to go to another town to get the medicine for my eye. It's getting really worse and need the medicine fast. Yeah, I'm heading out now to go. You need to going to another town for your eye. Biggest fan is missing from the chat. He ran away. Yeah, that's why. Biggest fan is from the chat. He ran away. Yes. Because he said that he's my biggest fan and my boyfriend. Oh my god. Where he from? I never know that John Smith. No John Smith here in the Philippines, and even I'm the foreigner, I never know John Smith. So I don't know. If I asking if uh, why say that, something like that. Hello, I'm from Turkey. How are you? I'm from Philippines. I'm heading out now to go to another town to get the medicine for my eye. It's getting. You need to stay healthy, hon. Hello again. Yes, I found another pharmacy that has the medicine. So I need to get it before my eye gets worse and possibly them. Oh my god. Yes, I found another. Sorry, Han. I'm so sorry. Whatever happened to your eyes. So because you're having that because of here. That's why it happens here. That's why. Hi, Sir Andrew. Thank you, my love. I don't know him. I don't know John Smith. Maybe he needs to explain why he called me, why he need to call. I'm her. He's my boyfriend. Then he ran away. Oh my god. Hello again. It's Friday yet. Hello again. Is it Friday yet? Not yet. The Friday. Sir Andrew, the Friday is for Transgender Day. It's for with you, Sir Fred, and Mike. Collaboration. My God, Sir Andrew. My gulay. It hurts my one. Look. Ouch. But it's fine. I think maybe it's using a new account, just trying to make trouble. No worries, hon. No way can ruin our relationship. I love you, my love. Get well. Thank you, James Jacob. What is the color? Thank you, my love. No need to, because I'm engaged. I'm always, that's why I'm having a ring. Because what happened to your knee? Just, just my kwan. It's fine. Just a little. Just a little. Because I'm practice the scooter, so it's fine. Now I balance na. I learn how to balance na. What, Sir Andrew? My God. Just a little kwan. Yes. Just a little kwan. It looks like you still need some kwan practice. Yes, Sir Andrew. Just need a little. Just. Just need more. Some kwan practice. you will you will get Kwan better and time para use lots of antibiotics cream until then. Yeah, lul. Yes po. Thank you, Sir Andrew Campbell. Yes, Sir Andrew. Thank you, 7 million in the house. Thank you so much.